Hello again. So now we're doing task 3. For task 3 we need to open the file words and letters.xls. So let's do it together as if I never know where it was. Okay, so to open the file we go to key stage 4 and then BTech IT, component 2, learning aim B and C, and then Spreadsheet Basics, and one final click, Spreadsheet Files. You go to Spreadsheet Files and you'd open this file here. How I would open it, and I suggest you would as well, you do, is to click on the 3 dots, open, and open it in app. Don't open it in the browser, open it in app, so you get the most out of the application. I have mine already open, so I have mine already open. And let's go and see what it's asking us to do. So I have mine already open. This is the sheet. The other one I just created one for the task 2. The previous task I created a new sheet. You can create as many sheets. This is yours. You can do whatever you want with it. Create. If you're not happy, delete it. Do another one. It's yours. So it's knowing. That's the main thing, is knowing what to do. So now, make use of the sorting and filters to answer the following questions. Once you have answered each question using the spreadsheet, take a screenshot of your answer and paste it in the table below. The table below means this one, this table here, this lovely table there. So that's the table below. So now it's showing us where are the filters and this how do you say, the filter and the sorting. The icons used for sorting and filtering in Excel are. Okay, so let's have a look. So the first question is asking us, is telling us the data in columns A and B. That's A and that's B. Columns A and B. Okay. So the data in columns A and B shows the frequency of use of letters in the English text. How many times a letter is used in the English text. Okay. Order the first 2 columns so that they are ordered by the count column, descending, by the count column, descending. Remember how we ordered? So this one is ordered ascending, A to Z. If I wanted to change the order, I go to sort, and then if I click Z to A, it will change, expand the selection, continue with the current selection, yes, and sort. So I have the Z to A now. If I go back and then sort again, this time I will do A to Z. Again, continue with the current selection. You don't need to expand. So now we have A to Z. What we want to do is keep the 2 columns and order by the count. Order by the count. This is the count. So we will order by the count, descending order. So in descending order, starting from the biggest to the lowest, okay, the highest to the lowest occurrence of the letter. So if I come to sort, now we have A to Z, we have Z to A, we have put read. When you go through these things, try to take a minute and read. So put selected cell color on top, put selected, we don't need this, we need custom sort. If I click on custom sort, I have this lovely dialog box. So now sort by letter, it says sort by letter, or if I click here, it gives me sort by count. So now sort by count, sort on cell values. So the values are these numbers here. Those are the values. So if I click on it, let's see, you can have cell color, you can have font color. This is the knowledge you gain. Don't be afraid. This is the knowledge you gain, okay? Conditional formatting icon, whatever. I want the values. So I want the cell values to sort in descending order, which means the highest occurrence to the lowest occurrence. So now smallest to largest, I'm gonna reverse it to largest to smallest, largest to smallest. So when I click OK, look what happens. Can you see? So now the letter E is the most used letter in the alphabet, in the text, in the English text, then the T, then the A, then. So now what's asking me to do? Take a screenshot of your answer and paste it in the table below. So I'm going again to go to my trusted snipping tool, click on the new, and then make sure I take my screenshot. You take your screenshot the way you feel, okay? You take your screenshot the way you feel. So now I have my screenshot. I will make a copy of it and then come here and delete these numbers, I don't need them, and then I do my screenshot. So that's my screenshot. The second set of data, E, F, G, so that's E, F, and G, shows the most common words in English. The rank shows how common the word is, with 1 being the most common. The length column shows the number of letters in each word. Exclude all 1 and 2 letter words from the data by applying a filter. So let's have a look. Now can you see I'm dragging? This is one way of selecting everything. You click, make sure you see this plus symbol, not this one, never this one, because you will copy. This one is the one you want. Okay, so if I come here, I click once and then drag, and then you go all the way down. So another way of selecting is to take the first cell, click on it, and then come to the last cell, press on the key Shift on your keyboard and click on the cell, and then the same would happen. So now it's asking us to filter. How do we filter? There, filter by selected cells value. Okay, selected cells value, exclude all 1 and cells font, cells value. Okay, cells value. Okay, so select let's see, select all. Okay, I'm not happy with this. I'm going to Control Z. I do Control Z again, and then select from here and go all the way down. So now I'll try again. Filter, selected cells values. So now, if I select all, it will give me everything. Okay. So now if I select all, it will give me everything. So we want to exclude number 1, all words with number 1 and 2 letter words, number 1 and 2 letter words. Okay, so what I need here is to exclude every word that has 1 or 2 letters in it, and keep only the 3. So if I unselect the number 1 and unselect the number 2, so this is excluding, remember I'm excluding the letter words from the data, the 1 and 2 letter words from the data by applying the filter. This is my filter, and then if I click OK, so I'll have all the words that have 3 or more letters. So now if I do Control Z, I take it off again, and then if I do Control Z, I will take it off again, and one more time. So now I eliminated my filter. So if I click on the first one, rank, I come down to the last cell, press on the Shift key on your keyboard and click, and you select everything automatically. So now all I need to do is add the filter. So by cells value. So these are the headings, the column headings. They would give me, it would turn to a sort of a table. They would give me now the filters. So all I need is to, this one was filtered already, so I'm gonna select all here. So now I have everything, and now I only need to keep words that have 3 or more letters. So I click OK. So again, this is my filter now. I go down, I unselect the number 1, the 1 letter words, and I unselect the 2 letter words and click OK. So now I have the words that have only 3 or more letters. Again, what do I need to do? Go to my trusted snipping tool, and again make sure I have a nice, keep the columns and come down. Okay, and I have my screenshot. So again, I make a copy of my screenshots and paste it there. So I have my second screenshot. So the third one, the question now, order the words into alphabetical order. So now if I come here, order the words into alphabetical order, as I have my filter, look, if I click on it, you can get the order now. Sort A to Z, if I click on sort A to Z, it's all ordered in alphabetical order. Again, I do my screenshot. I really want you to learn this, okay? I really want you to learn this and be confident. Be confident with it. It's a great skill to have. Trust me, the spreadsheets are here to stay. And now you have AI integrated in spreadsheets. You just have so much fun. But you need to learn. You need to put a little effort. So now filter all words from the list so that only those that begin with the W are shown. Ooh. So now I can do it in different ways, but the most basic way is to unselect everything. Okay, unselect everything and then do the one with the W. Okay, that's the most basic one. And then you click OK, and then you have the ones with the W. I will try something else. Now select everything, click OK, and then try something else. If I go to select, okay, select filters and then equals no, does not equal no, begins with yes. So I'm gonna go begins with W, and I click OK, and I get the same thing. So again, remember, let me show you both ways. The basic way is to come here and select everything and then just select the ones with W. Easy. Okay, so that's one way. The second way is to, let's say, select everything and use the text filters. So come here, not equals, the begins with. We go to begins with and then select or press or enter W. And then you click OK. And you have the W letters with W. So we get into the end of the thing now, of the task. That's the last of the task. Okay, make it nice and make it look nice. Nice. So I have my screenshot again. -13, it should be okay. I have my screenshot and then I do it there. I place it there, okay? So I will stop here. Your extension is to have a look at this, read this carefully, and have a go. Okay, have a go at this. This is now your challenge. This is your extension. Have a go at the, what's it called? The section 2, Go Adventure. To find Go Adventure, you just have to go to the same folder where the words and letters is. The words and letters file is. So that's the Go Adventure, and this is what I imported. This is the one I imported. So let's download it. Okay, I'm going to download it. I will start you off. Okay, so now if we come to the spreadsheet and create a new spreadsheet, and then if new sheet, and then if I come to data, and if I go to get data from text, this is get data from text CSV. Text CSV. If I click here, and go to download, my download folder, and find Go Adventure here, import, and that's how easy it is. Load, and it's there. So I have my data now, all of it. Can you see how many rows? So now you'd want to filter your data. For example, if you only want to see the female, what is this? Words and letters. The customer, female customers, you can filter and find just female customers. So there you go. If I only wanted female customers, I just get female customers. So I'll stop now. Try to give some time, and I will speak to you soon. You take care and get on with the task, okay? Bye.